Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tensas Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northeastern Catahoula Parish in northeastern Louisiana, southeastern Franklin Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harrisonburg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sicily Island around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Wisner around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gilbert around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Dulite around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Louisiana and west central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Franklin, Louisiana. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Richland Parish.